plus here xy derivative of xy with respect to y is x. So here we got ux and uy. Therefore here we have f dash z. Okay, f of z is u plus iv, it is understood. So f dash z is equal to ux plus ivx. So we don't have vx here, so this is equal to ux. We know ux equal to vy and uy is equal to minus vx by CR equations. So vx will be replaced by uy, ux minus iuy. So that is equal to ux value we have this one. So by applying Milne-Thomson formula method, we can directly write that one. Okay, so that is equal to ux is minus e raised to minus x cos y plus y, this is ux, minus I into uy is this minus e raised to minus x sin y plus x. Therefore by Milne-Thomson method, f dash z is equal to, replace x by z and y by 0. So this will be minus e raised to minus z cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Okay, plus y means 0. So minus I into, now here e raised to minus z into sin y. Sin 0 is 0. So this term becomes 0. So here minus I into only z will come. Okay, so that is f dash z. Therefore f of z is equal to, integrate both sides, so that is integral of f dash z, which is equal to integral minus e raised to minus z minus I z dz. So this is f of z is equal to minus e raised to minus z, integral is e raised to minus z divided by derivative of minus z is minus 1, minus I into integral of z is z square upon 2 and plus constant of integration c. Therefore this is our f of z. So this is minus minus, you can change it as plus. So minus e raised to minus z minus I z square by 2 plus c. So f of z we got. Now from here we have to find v, because we have taken this as u. Okay, so replace all this z by x plus I y. So this is equal to e raised to minus x plus I y minus I by 2 x plus I y the whole square plus constant. This is equal to, so as we did yesterday, just open this bracket, so it is e raised to minus x minus I into y will come. Now again this is a raised to m plus n formula. A raised to m plus n is a raised to m into a raised to n. So we will write this as e raised to minus x into e raised to minus I y. Which formula we are using here? A raised to m plus n, like that formula. Then minus I by 2 into, open this using a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab. So 2 into x into iy. So I 2xy plus b square. B square means I square y square. Now I square is minus 1. So this can be written as minus y square plus c. So that is equal to e raised to minus x. Now again, yesterday again we did e raised to I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, so here if it is minus here minus will come. Okay, so this will be cos y minus I sin y minus I by 2 into, this is x square. We will take I inside here. So 1 by 2 into I x square, then I into I square minus 2xy and minus I y square. Okay, this I is taken inside. So ix square, then I square 2xy, I square is minus 1, so it is minus here, and this I into y square, so I y square plus c. So that is equal to, now collect all the terms of with I and without I. So take this also inside. So it is e raised to minus x cos y, then e raised to minus x into this one, so minus I into e raised to minus x sin y, then minus 1 by 2 into I x square, so minus also will be taken inside, minus plus 2xy plus iy square plus c. So now collect all the real terms. So it is this one, e raised to minus x cos y, then so this will be here, then this, so plus 1 by 2 into 2xy. Okay, that this is taken inside, and also only that is what real terms, minus now all the I terms together. So when you take the I terms together, so plus I into here, plus I into this term I'll take first because that is positive. So 1 by 2 into y square, this, then here minus x square by 2, this one, and this one. So that is minus e raised to minus x sin y plus c. Okay, so that is, so now this is equal to, so look at the question whether you have that as u e raised to minus x. So this is equal to e raised to minus x cos y, then plus xy. This is your u. No, this is equal to c, or equal to alpha is your u, plus here I into what you will have. I'll take this first. So e raised to minus x sin y, then plus y square by 2, or here you can take 1 by 2 into y square minus x square plus c. So this is our what? This is V. This is the required answer. Okay. Therefore, the harmonic conjugate or the orthogonal family, and for the orthogonal trajectories are V is equal to this one. Okay, so R minus e raised to minus x sin y plus half of y square minus x square. Okay, this is equal to, say, some C2. So all this putting together, we are taking, say, some C1, C2 as you like.